Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star Science Secondary School online classes. Last class we have discussed about Unit 9 solutions, small introductions, concept map, and what are the words or important words with meanings learned about. So in this class we have discussed about which topics contains in this unit. One by one we will learn. Okay, so first one is solutions. So we are taken into the salt and water mixture and sand and water mixture. So don't separate the salt and water, but sand and water mixture we are separated. We filter the water, we separate the sand to the water. So the salt and water mixture is called as homogeneous mixture. Already we learned about in your lower classes what is mixture and solutions. So the salt is dissolved in a water, does not separated. So it is a homogeneous mixture. The homogeneous mixture is called as solutions. So the homogeneous mixtures are termed as solutions. In our daily life, we are see about many types of solutions. For example, air. The air contains many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. And another example is seawater. So seawater contains salt. So this is a solutions. Okay. Where moms are cooking. So moms add water. சாப்பாடு வைக்கிறதுக்கும் குழம்பு வைக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்றாங்க? Water add பண்றாங்க. So these are the examples for the solutions. We are drink a fruit juice and aerated drinks, that is Bavancho, etc. We are drink. So these are the examples for the solutions. Washing, cloth washing, any washing and cleaning in some other activities are examples for the solutions. This involves water. So this is the example for solutions. So solutions means that the definition is a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. So in a solution, the component which is present in lesser amount is called solute, and the component which is present in a larger amount is called solvent. So the solution is a one or more substance, that is one solute and one solvent. So this is called solutions. Solute plus solvent gives solution. So solute plus solvent gives solutions. So solute means that in a solution, for example, any other solution, the lesser amount of solute is lesser amount of quantity, that is called solute. So in other solution, the larger amount of quantity, that is called solvent. For example, we are taken into the salt plus water. So the salt is dissolved in a water. So the salt is a smaller amount in this solution. So salt is a solute, and water is a larger amount in this solution. So water is a solvent. So salt plus water, this is a one contains one solute and one solvent. So this is a solution, sir. In another example is sugar and water. So the sugar is dissolved in a water. So sugar is a smaller amount, that is a solute, and water is a larger amount. So it is a solvent. So solute plus solvent gives a solution. So sugar plus water dissolves. This is make a solution. So solutions means that mixture of two or more substance, or one solute or one solvent gives solutions. So solute and the solvent definition is the component which is present in lesser amount by weight is called solute, and the component which is present in a larger amount by weight is called solvent. So the solutions contain one solute and one solvent. That solution is called as binary solutions. So for example, copper sulfate crystals. So copper sulfate is added to the water. So this is the copper sulfate solution. So copper is a one solute and water is a solvent, one solvent. So this is the made up of one solute and one solvent. That is two components. What are the two components? Copper sulfate and water. These are the two components though. So this is called as binary solutions. For example, salt plus water. So this is the binary solutions. Sugar plus water. This is the, what is this? Binary solutions. But such kind of solution which contains three components, that is called ternary solutions. For example, salt and sugar is added by water. So both water and salt, these both are dissolved in water. So make it solutions. So this solution is called as ternary solutions because this solutions contains three components: water, sugar, and salt. So which solutions is contains two components, that is called binary solutions. Which components contains three components, that is called ternary solutions. So binary solutions example is the copper sulfate solution, and the ternary solutions example is salt, water, and sugar solution. So this is the definitions for the solutions and the components of solutions. What are the components of solutions? Solute plus solvent. So this is the components of solutions. So the next one is already we know that these solutions are divided into three types. The first one is based on physical state of the solute and the solvent, and based on the type of solvent, and based on the amount of solute. So the based on the physical state of solute and the solvent is further divided into three types. That is solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solution. Already we know that the mixtures are normally divided into three types. That is solid, liquid, and gases. So the binary solutions are divided into three types, that is a solid solution, liquid solution, and gaseous solutions. So in binary solutions, both the solvent and the solute may exist in any of these physical state. So solvent and the solute present three physical states, that is a solid, liquid, and gases. So these are the examples for the binary solutions. So these binary solutions, the solvent part is major. For example, first one is solid solutions. So solid plus solid. So copper is solid and gold is solid. So The copper is dissolved in gold. The next one is liquid and solid. For example, mercury is a liquid and sodium is a solid. So this is the combines to make a what is this solutions. ஏன் இதுல வந்து லிக்யூட் இருக்கு இதுல சாலிட் இருக்கு பட் அது வந்து எதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கா சொல்லியிருக்காங்க சாலிட் சொல்யூஷனுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிளா சொல்லியிருக்காங்க எதனால அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க ஏன்னா பைனரி சொல்யூஷன்ல சால்வெண்டோடைய பார்ட் தான் அதிகமா இருக்கும் அப்ப இது சோடியம் அண்ட் மெர்க்குரி வந்து லிக்யூட் அது வந்து என்னவா ஆக்ட் ஆகுதுங்க லிக்யூடா ஆக்ட் ஆகுது அப்ப அதோட பார்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும் லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கும் so இது எதுக்கான எக்ஸாம்பிள் சாலிட் சொல்யூஷனுக்கான எக்ஸாம்பிள் because the solid is a major part of the solution so the mercury with sodium is called as amalgam already we learned about last unit 8 periodic classification of elements so the next one is liquid solution solid plus liquid so the sodium chloride is dissolved in water and makes solution this is the example for liquid solution solid plus liquid and liquid the solute is liquid and the solvent is liquid ethyl alcohol dissolved in water so this is the example for the liquid solutions gas and liquid carbon dioxide is dissolved in water that is called soda water so the gas is a carbon dioxide and the liquid is a water so the solvent part is a major part so the water is a larger amount in this solution so this is the example for the liquid solution and the gaseous solution liquid and gas liquid is a water and gas is air so this is the combination is cloud gas and gas mixture of helium and oxygen gases so this is the example for the gaseous solutions so types of solution based on the physical state of the solid and the solvent these are the one of the types of solutions so based on the physical state there are three types that is a solid solution and the liquid solution and the gaseous solutions so some of the examples for the solid liquid and the gaseous solutions so the next one is based on the type of solvent so this is the further divided into two types that is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution so the next one is based on the type of solvent so this is the classified into two types that is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solutions so most of the substances are soluble in water so the water is called as universal solvent so most of the substances are dissolved in water so the water is called as universal solvent water is called as universal solvent because most of the substances are dissolved in water but some of the substances are does not dissolved in water so alternative solvent is used for example ethers benzene alcohols etc are used because some of the substances are not dissolved in water so alternative solvent are used for example what is this ethers benzene alcohols so on the basis of solvent there are two types that is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solutions aqueous solution means that which substance is dissolved in water that is called as aqueous solutions. For example, common salt is dissolved in water and sugar is dissolved in water and copper sulfate is dissolved in water. So the water is act as a solvent. So this is called as aqueous solutions. Non-aqueous solutions, which substance dissolved in water than other solvent, that is called as non-aqueous solutions. So the sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide and iodine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. So these are the non-aqueous solutions because these are the dissolved in the other than water. So it is called as non-aqueous solutions. Okay. So based on the type of solvent, there are two types, that is aqueous solution and non-aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions, water acts as a solvent, that is called aqueous solutions. Which substance is dissolved in water, that substance, that solution is called as what is this? Aqueous solutions. So non-aqueous solution means that which substance is dissolved in other than the water, that is called non-aqueous solutions. So these are the example for non-aqueous solutions because the sulfur is dissolved in carbon disulfide. So this is the one of the example for non-aqueous solution. So ethers, alcohols, benzene, carbon disulfide, acetone, etc. These are the non-aqueous solvent. Okay. So the next one is based on the amount of solute. So these are the further divided into three types. That is saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solutions. So this unsaturated solution is further divided into two types, that is concentrated solution and dilute solution. Solvent base வச்சு நம்ம two types பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க, aqueous solution and non aqueous solutions. அதை எது பெரிய பார்த்தா வாட்டர். ஓகேவா, வாட்டர் வந்து சால்வெண்டா ஆக்ட் ஆச்சுன்னா அது aqueous solution சொன்னோம். வாட்டர் தவிர்த்து பேலன்ஸ் வேற ஏதாவது இருந்தா நம்ம அதை என்ன சொல்லணும், நான் aqueous solution சொன்னோம். இதுல சொல்யூட் மீன்ஸ் கரைப்பொருள். ஓகேவா, ஒரு சொல்யூஷன்ல கரைப்பொருள் எவ்வளவு இருக்கு, which amount of solute. So that is classified into three types, that is saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solutions. The first one is saturated solution. So the definition is saturated solution is a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a definite amount of the solvent at a given temperature is called saturated solution. For example, we are taken into sodium chloride and water. So water is a 100 gram and sodium chloride is 36 gram at 25 degree Celsius. So it forms a saturated solutions because இதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, அந்த சோடியம் குளோரைடு அந்த வாட்டர்ல டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியாது. So it is called as a saturated solutions. That is, அதாவது ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட அளவு மட்டும்தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும், அதுல நம்ம சொல்யூட்டை டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியும், அந்த சால்வெண்ட்ல சொல்யூட்டை டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு மேல நம்ம டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியாது, அதுவும் குறிப்பிட்ட டெம்பரேச்சர்ல. ஓகேவா, ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட எவ்வளவுன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அந்த குறிப்பிட்ட டெம்பரேச்சர்ல என்ன பண்ண முடியும், நம்ம சொல்யூட்டை டிசால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு மேல என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, not dissolved. So that solution is called as saturated solutions. For example, that 36 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. This is forms saturated solutions. So the next one is unsaturated solution. The definition is unsaturated solution is one that contains lead solute than that of the saturated solution at a given temperature. So, unsaturated solution is less amount of solute than the saturated solutions. That is called unsaturated solution. என்னன்னா saturated solution விட less amount solute இருந்தா அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் unsaturated solutions. For example, same 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius, but 10 or 20 or 30 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in the 100 gram of water. That is unsaturated solutions, because the saturated solution is taken into 36 gram of sodium chloride, but what is this 10 or 20 or 30 gram of sodium chloride we are taken. So this is formed in the unsaturated solutions because less amount of solute is present in these solutions. Okay, example, 10 gram or 20 gram or 30 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius form an unsaturated solutions. So unsaturated solution is further divided into two types, that is concentrated solution and dilute solution. For example, you and your friend drink the cup of tea. So நீ குடிக்கும்போது என்னது அந்த கப் ஆஃப் டீல சுகர் வந்து என்ன இது கரெக்டா இருக்கு, பட் உன் ஃப்ரெண்டு குடிக்கிறதுல வந்து என்னவா இருக்கு கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா அதிகமா இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன சொல்லுவ நீ இதுல கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவல்ல, என்ன இருக்கு சுகர் அதிகமா இருக்கு. டீயும் என்னது ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் தான், ஓகேவா? ஏன்னா அதுல என்ன இது வாட்டர் இருக்கு, சுகர் இருக்கு, டீ தூள் இருக்கு, எல்லாமே மிக்ஸ் ஆகிருக்கு, ஓகேவா? அப்ப அது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ். ஸோ என்ன பண்றீங்க, வாட்டர் வந்து என்னவா இருக்கு அதிகமா இருக்குன்னு சுகர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருக்குன்னு சொல்ற, பட் உன் ஃப்ரெண்டோட கப்ல என்ன இது கரெக்டா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்க. ஸோ சேம் ஃபார் தி கான்சன்ட்ரேட்டட் சொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் டைல்யூட் சொல்யூஷன். ஸோ சேம் சால்வெண்ட் அண்ட் சேம் solute. Okay. Same amount of solvent and same amount of solute, but which contains higher amount of solute where the given amount of solvent is said to be concentrated solution and the other said to be is dilute solutions. ஓகேவா? உங்க ரெண்டு பேர் டீயும் என்ன இருக்கு, அதே காஃபி தான், சாரி அதே வாட்டர் தான், அதே டீ தூள் தான், அதே சுகர் தான், பட் சொல்யூட் அமௌண்ட் வந்து என்னவா இருக்கு ஒரு காஃபில அதிகமா இருக்கு, ஓகேவா? ஸோ அதிகமா இருக்கிற அந்த காஃபியை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டட் சொல்யூஷன். நீ கரெக்டா இருக்கிறத நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் டைல்யூட் சொல்யூஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம், ஓகேவா? ஸோ the unsaturated solution is further divided into two types, that is a concentrated solution and dilute solution. So when we compare two having same solute and same solvent in a solutions, the one which contains higher amount of solute per the given amount of solvent, it is said to be concentrated solution and the other is said to be dilute solutions. Another example is we are taken into cup of water, 2 cup of water. Okay, first one is 100 ml of water, ரெண்டுத்துலயே 100 ml of water வந்து எடுத்துக்கணும், ஓகேவா? 100 ml of waterல என்ன பண்றோம் salt வந்து மிக்ஸ் பண்றோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ல 30 gram of salt, the next one is the second one is the 50 gram of salt. So the 50 gram of salt solution is called as concentrated solution and 30 gram of salt solution is called as dilute solutions, because the 50 gram of salt solution is contains larger amount of solute. So this is called as a concentrated solution, and the 30 gram of dilute solution is contains correct solute. So this is called as a dilute solutions. This is the example for concentrated and dilute solutions. So this is the dilute solutions. So solute is lesser than the another one, but the solvent is same. This is the concentrated solutions. The solute is higher than the dilute solutions. So this is the concentrated solution.